Morning guys, in front of me is Redmi 14R and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound. First of all, open your phone together. Now mark a settings icon, go to voicemail and select notifications. Now click on sound and choose the tune that you want to set as your voicemail notification sound. Tap on OK, wait till it's downloaded and applied. So let me mark one more time, tap on OK, and that's it. As you can see, this ringtone is applied. So that's it, this is how you can change voicemail notification sound. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.